Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Abhishek Raj once again with the Daily Dossier. I'll update you with all that's going to make a difference today. Well, one thing for sure, just like yesterday, markets are at decision making point. As I had told you yesterday, in case markets open, which most probably looks like open negative, and same thing happened. Markets more or less formed like an abandoned baby pattern. However, the third candle, which is the most significant candle of any abandoned baby pattern, formed a doji candle. So more or less, it looks like post the gap down, which majorly happened due to the global cues, buyers and sellers were both confused during the entire day, and there was no significant change. Doji candle was both observed on Bank Nifty and Nifty. So more or less, both the indices are trading well above 20 days moving average, so it's perfectly fine. So yesterday's closing and yesterday's prices are very important. Rest, let's take a quick look on the actual numbers and the data. Well, FIIs and DIIs both have sold together approximately some 1000 crores. FIIs have sold index futures worth approximately 700 crores. Index options were bought about 2300 crores, so most probably it would have been the call writings or the put writing that have been bought back. Stock futures were sold again approximately 950 crores, so more or less it's a plain sell figure that has come yesterday. However, one thing to note, very important, the quantum of buying that has been done by domestic investors is way beyond these small sell numbers. As far as foreign institutions are concerned, they are still net buyers in the month of August. So 1 or 2 days fall is not going to make a decision or make a change to the persisting trend. So don't worry, trend has not changed yet, though it's precautious. So as I said, markets remained mostly negative for the entire day. An abandoned baby pattern looks like forming. So in case markets close negative today again, it would be a confirmation of abandoned baby pattern. However, any closing positive, I would suggest only to take decisions only if Nifty sustains above 11,400. Only then go ahead and buy. Else, you should wait and watch. And you can of course short below 11,200. Option data still suggests the same price range, that's of 11,000 and 11,500. So most probably markets may take a dip and correct towards 11,100 to 11,000 range for confirming its support base. Open interest has been seen reducing on the put side and being added on the call side. So for sure, some short positions have been built up. Most importantly, the broader market, especially the mid caps, looks completely unaffected from the fall. They were rather rallying the entire day. So more or less, the major, it's kind of index adjustment that we can say happening. Rest, taking a look at Nifty, number one, the fall was supported with increased volume. So of course, distribution has happened. 20 days moving average is 11,210, 50 about 10,800. 100 days moving average 10,040, 200 days moving average 10,860. You can go negative in case markets go below 11,300. Markets falling below 20,000 or 20 days moving average would, with volumes, may push it towards 11,200 to 11,000 range. So that's why I said you can sell below yesterday's low. Global cues would mainly decide what's going to happen in today's session. Plus, it's being Friday, investors won't want to take any risk for the overnight and the weekend especially. So it would be more or less a flattish session. So I would suggest stay light and wait and watch to see how further developments are happening. On Bank Nifty front, again, a very important thing that's happening is 20 days moving average is being going down, and it has now come very close to 50 days moving average. In case in coming few sessions the negativity continues, 20 DMA may fall below 50 DMA. That will confirm the negativity in the market. So it's very important for markets now to take support and to go up in case this has to continue, the trend has to continue. Rest, on daily chart, it looks like some downtrend is forming. However, that would only be confirmed if markets gives us a closing below 21,700 or 800 range. Bank Nifty has now a trading range of 1000 points, that 21,400 to 22,400. So any fresh bullish bet should be taken only if Bank Nifty closes above 22,400. Rest, this is how you should be planning your investments. In yesterday's session, volatility was positive. Volatility spiked a little bit, so some worries is shaping up between the investors. But see, the point is, markets doesn't have any more hopes now. Okay, so far markets were going up in hopes. There was no data supporting. The pandemic situation is still as it was rather. Things are improving now, but significantly nothing major has changed so far. Nifty, I would suggest personally that it's into a no trade zone. Keeping some cash would be wiser. I'll keep you updated in real-time market scenarios in case a trade is formed. Bank Nifty, again, as I said, buying is only above 22,400 and no selling unless and until it closes below 21,400. So more or less, from my perspective, it's a kind of no trade zone. Metals are bullish, however deviated from short-term moving averages, hence there should be a consolidation. Wait for a consolidation or a dip, only then buy, because you have already left the entire rally. It doesn't make sense now to buy at the top of the rally, else you would not get good prices. Nifty Energy is positive. Buy only in case indices cross 15,900, the Nifty Energy Index. IT clearly looks into pressure because of the dollar correction. However, dollar somehow looks taking support. So let's wait for one more day. Only then we will decide what to do with the ITs. Rest, I'm still on the same stance of accumulating good quality IT stocks like Infosys, TCS, and Larsen & Toubro Infotech. Pharma sector looks undergoing some profit booking. We can initiate longs only if pharma sector saves 11,420. Auto index is positive with buy on dips being Maruti, Mahindra and Bajaj Auto and Hero Moto Corporations to be the top picks for the index. So this is how the entire scenario looks. Only metals and auto industry looks positive to buy. Rest, all the major indices doesn't give you that comfort, either be it metal because of its extreme stretched valuations, or it could be Bank Nifty because of the formation that is happening. You should be stock specific, look into mid caps and small caps for buying. Rest, I would suggest wait and watch. Let us see how things develop further, because some very crucial changes are happening, like abandoned baby formations. If that's confirmed, it will be negative. In case there is a death cross, that's 20 days moving average going below 50 days moving average, but that's going to be decided only in a couple of sessions. So it's a time, wait and watch, and I'll keep you posted on where to take your bets. That would be all in this session. Thank you so much for watching. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.